Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X research and professional physicist. And today I'd like to bring to you another one of my articles. This one's entitled Chinese Satellite Earth-Moon Image is Beyond Fake. Now, an Earth-Moon photograph supposedly taken by a Chinese satellite from the backside of the moon is so obviously fake that it makes me wonder why they just do not tell everybody outright that they have not gone to the moon at all, that this is all a propaganda stunt. And the photograph appears below. You can see it looks like the moon and the Earth. And so first of all, the moon has an obviously fake edge. If you look carefully all around the edge seems to be made of pixel squares which are aligned along the edge. So aligned along the edge here. Whilst the rest of the image, the pixel squares are aligned horizontally only. And this can only have been produced by creating the edge separately from the inside part and could in no way be possible in an actual photograph. Or a different effect was applied to the edge than what was applied to the rest of the image. So in addition, the moon image is in black and white and the Earth image is in color. That's quite obvious. This could only have been produced by combining a black and white image with a color one. And here's a close-up of that first image. Now here we can see the pixels very clearly. You can see what they all look like in the image. You can see they are aligned horizontally, so the flat side is along a horizontal line and then the vertical lines are perpendicular. But what do we see here? We see squares that are aligned along the circumference of the moon, along the edge. So there's a thin part close to the edge where they are aligned, but they're not horizontal like they are there. They're obviously, they used a different, and they're different size as well. So these are larger than the squares we see here. We also see the squares going beyond the edge of the moon. And that can only be because it's an effect that was applied to the edge of the image. In other words, this is a made-up image. This is not a real photograph. And you can, if you look at the image of the Earth, you can see that it has a square outline. The pixels have a square outline, and the fact that the pixels go beyond the edge of the image is just not normal at all. It tells you it's not a photograph. In a photograph, what's black looks black. It doesn't have purple pixels. It doesn't have gray pixels in it. It's black. So this is obviously an artist that produced these images. So the pixel effect continues, as I said, beyond the borders of both the moon and the Earth, suggesting that the pixels are an added effect in order to make the image appear to be out of focus and thus remove the need to produce anything resembling a real moon. This is to be expected because, as I have shown in many previous articles, the sun is no longer shining, and the moon we are seeing in the sky is a holographic simulation, which is all it can be, since if there is no light from the sun, there cannot be any light for the moon to reflect. And if there is no light for the moon to reflect, we cannot see it. You may look at article 500 entitled The Sun's No Longer Shining Review, where I discussed that. Now, in conclusion, a moon-Earth photograph supposedly taken by a Chinese satellite is obviously an artist's very badly done impression of what the moon would look like from the backside in black and white, with another badly done image of the Earth added, well, that one in color. The message from this seems to be that the Chinese are running a mission, which entails deceiving the world into thinking that they have gone to the dark side of the moon, but that they are honest enough to let us know through the photographs which they are producing that it is all fake. And these are the references. This is Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X physicist. Thank you for watching.